2 months. But I just ran into the hiring manager in the office and she was like, expected 3 hours of time on your calendar.
Hello, happy Monday. I'm working from home today. I just want to give you a quick little update on the bedroom since the last time we were building the bed. Ta-da! We have officially finished building the bed and it's all assembled and we've got all the pillows and the blanket and the duvet cover. So comfy. I slept on it for the first time last night and it was like probably one of the best sleeps of my life. And then there's little Evie because Evie belongs on the bed. She's the bed guardian. Love how the sun is like hitting and reflecting on the blanket. That is so pretty. Also, better yet, they have storage. There's 2 storage cabinets on both sides, which is great. So on this side, we store like towels, pretty much just towels for now because it's closer to the bathroom. Also, I love the soft clothing because it's so silent. It's so great. Also, we went to IKEA yesterday and we picked up some new mattress, which I'm so excited to put this on once this goes in the wash. This beautiful like emerald green color, and this one has like a checkered pattern, which is so cool, and it has like a cooling like material feel to it. I love it and I can't wait to sleep on it. And that is the bed. Happy Sunday. We have Sunday brunch. I just made matcha. We have some croissants and then scrambled eggs with cottage cheese and sausages. Yummy. Good morning. I woke up feeling like my body was so heavy and so sore from yesterday because we did a lot yesterday, and we also went to see the new Demon Slayer movie, Infinity Castle, and it was so good. Like, it was so good. I loved it. The only thing that I wished was different was that it could be like a little shorter with like some of the backstories. If you've seen it, then you know. But overall, I felt all the feels, I felt all the emotions. The animation was spectacular. Yeah, I loved it. Like, it was a great movie and I'm so glad that we went to see it. Yeah, yesterday was like really productive, but yeah, this morning I felt like I'm like slowly waking up and it's like really difficult this morning for me to like fully wake up and like get into work mode. But here we are, and I have a meeting in like an hour-ish. So I'm trying to like wake up my brain, and I kept like, my eyes kept like closing, and it's like not great, but we're pushing through it and we're gonna have a great day. vegetables in right now. Also, the rice is nice. I thought we'd do an unboxing together. Let's do this one first. I know what this is. Of course, because I ordered it. God. Oh, yes. Oh my god, I'm very excited about this. Oh my god, wait, these look so good. Okay, these are some like contact paper because I want to line our lower like cabinets, kitchen cabinets with this sort of dark walnut wood contact paper so that it matches the rest of the cabinet. And I was trying to find one that's like really matching with like the cabinet's color that we have. And I think this might be it. Like it looks like the color that we have. I think so. I feel like, no, this matches really well. Yes, 10 out of 10 with this person. Okay, I'm excited about this. I'm gonna order more because this is just supposed to be like a sample purchase so that I can just like try to see if it matches. But I feel like it matches, so I'm gonna order some more. This bad boy, this big one, it's a very exciting one, and I already know what's in it. Okay, yeah, this is very exciting. We finally have some lights in this place because we don't have any like sort of diffused mood lighting around the house right now. And this is the first purchase that I've done. I'm gonna trust me, there's gonna be more warm lights around this place. But right now, this is the first purchase because I wanna get this either for the office right now, or it can be either in the living area once we have the TV and the couch. But this is the govee floor lamp too. I got it from Amazon, and I feel like it would be such a good addition to the office right now because there's no overhead light in the office, so it's always so dark, and it just needs more light. So this one is perfect because you can change the color and you can control it via using an app. It's great and it looks minimal and I love it. So I'm so excited about this. Let's open this. Oh, charger. Oh, a little screw. I might do a little bit of building. Okay. Okay, yeah. Now this one is the main base of the lamp. Whoa, that's gorgeous. Oh, okay, guys, we're actually gonna have to go on the floor and do some building. Oh yeah, these are the rods. I have to walk through the instruction manual. Connect the app and it's almost working. It's been a long time since we've talked, but I just got back from the gym and Jason got me food. Oh my god. I believe this is fried rice with fried chicken nuggets. That is so sweet. I am so hungry. I can't wait to eat this. I also did not finish my matcha, which is like my pet peeves. I am heating it up in the microwave. Whee! Oh my god, this looks so good. I should probably put this on a plate or something. What if it gets oily? Obviously, I don't want it to be like out on the freaking table. Beautiful table. Also making it real real spoon because I hate plastic spoons. I hate them. Or paper spoons. They're atrocious. Why would I do that? Okay, I'm gonna dive into this and I'm too excited. Let's go eat. Gosh, got my bubbly, of course. Oh my god, it's so good. Okay, I'm gonna watch a vlog or anime, either one. Happy dinner!
I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see.